Hey biscuits, welcome back to our Speed Clean Sunday. Woo woo! How are you doing? We are a week and a half, going on 2 weeks of self-isolation quarantine. You know, trying to keep everybody vulnerable safe, others and ourselves included. So we are gonna clean up this house. We're doing a toy cleanup. So we aren't gonna put all the toys away because we are gonna play with them again later, but we're tidying them so we can sweep and vacuum, scrub some surfaces, and just keep everything clean. Come along, let's get a Speed Clean going. Oh my goodness, doing cabinets, you gotta clean them all the time. They get so dirty, and I don't know if this is just a parent thing where like, because Abraham loves to tell me cook and bake, things get messy, or if it's just me. I feel like my cabinets didn't used to be this dirty before kids. It's been too long, I can't remember. Yeah, I gotta scrub all the cabinets. I've been good about scrubbing handles regularly too. Oh, PSA, clean your phone all the time. Whenever I come back in from having gone out into the real world, which we haven't for weeks now, but or even if we just go on a walk without touching anybody, I spray it with cleaning spray, gently clean it. You don't want to get it wet, obviously. Scrub it up and just watch for bacteria, because that's one of those spots that can really get you. Also, bottoms of purses and handles and things, anything you're touching a lot, if you're going out regularly, be careful, keep an eye on that. Okay, let's thing I've been going around, and I will say this, while a lot of us are all inside a lot, I'm giving myself a bit more grace and understanding of not everything has to be organized where it's going, right? Like, I'm trying to keep our basic stuff organized, but what I mean is piles of toys. He will just put toys all over everywhere. They'll be in the wrong spots, and I'm giving myself a lot more grace to just get his toys in general toy holders, you know, so they're semi-organized, but they aren't categorized or anything. Because sometimes you just have to go a little easier on yourself, not have it be so detailed, because it can just be too much. So, you know, I'm keeping his stuff in vague areas, but in no way am I spending this time thinking, I'm gonna organize this whole toy room, because I love organizing. I like to keep the kitchen and closets organized, but that only works for spaces that I am mostly in charge of putting things away in. And sometimes with kids, you just have to surrender that notion. Because otherwise, I'm picking up a towel that was on the floor. Otherwise, you just spend all your time stressing out over little things to mask stress of big things. So I'd rather be more relaxed when it comes to cleaning. Still keep everything tidy. It helps that we aren't coming in and out as much. We're spending a lot more time inside, which means certain areas need to be cleaned more, but some areas are way easier to deal with because we aren't trouncing in the same amount of foot traffic that we would normally. Huge amount of clothes that just wind up places. I don't get it. So I am asthmatic, as I have talked about before, and that means that I really try to dust up surfaces regularly, especially because we've been inside so much. And that really helps with indoor dust and mite allergies, I find. Isn't that pretty? With that glitter, so. So just open out, you're sitting on something that could use a little dust around. There you go. I'll show you what I've been dusting up. Okay, a spot that does not get dealt with enough in our house is up here. So I'm just doing a couple squirts of cleaning spray, and I'm going to dust up there because it is peak allergy season for me, and I want to make my home as allergen-free a space as I can. I used to do a lot of filters and stuff, air filters, but I just don't have that in the budget right now. So cleaning is something that I have a little bit more control over for dusting everything. And dust these as well, because they're just areas in your home that you're breathing in a lot. You see all that came off of it, and it's right over my bed. So this is definitely an area where I want to keep it as tidy as I can. Is there a little boy hiding back there? There couldn't be. Yes. I know, with all my snacks on the side of the bed, but I'm gonna put you down there. I'm keeping this vlog real. I snack a lot in bed, especially right now because I am doing a lot of work from my soft office, which is my bed. I have never shot a vlog from up here. You're on the windowsill above my bed. That's funny. Okay. Just dust these puppies up a little bit so that they remain. Hey, Biscuit. How are you?
Good.
Would you like to say any cleaning tips?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
What am I doing?
He's a mountain climber.
I look back.
I've gotten some complaints from people before going, don't include kids in your cleaning videos. It distracts us. We can't figure out how to clean in cleaning videos. You know what? Do not pull those down. Absolutely not. That is not acceptable behavior. No, you are not allowed to do that. But I try to keep my videos very real and honest for how Mama's really clean. You know, these are just the matter of fact. Our kids are around a lot, especially right now. And you gotta clean even when they're going bonkers around you. So get inspired. It's a good example for them. I know I've said this already, but it really is a good example. Okay, I've got to fold a bucket load of laundry. Ooh, how much laundry you say? Let me hear. Bucket load. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The laundry never ends. It really doesn't. Oh my goodness. Let me know in the comments. How are you doing with the isolation quarantine that is going on right now? Are you cleaning extra? Or are you just kind of hunkering down and doing comfort things that make you cozy? You're going to work, you're getting groceries, you're coming home and staying safe. Or are you in there scrubbing all your handles and going into your shower and scrubbing that down? Because God knows I maybe have done that for stress cleaning. There's a fine line between cleaning reduces anxiety and cleaning to mask your emotions. Make sure you're cleaning to have fun. That's why I put on this music and I have dance parties. I get Abraham to dance along with me. Because cleaning I find very joyful and entertaining, as long as I'm not using it as therapy to avoid my emotions. Who do I look like someone that would do that? Oh, okay, the laundry waits for no woman. We've cleaned, we've swept, we've picked up toys, which, as you know, all of you parents that are dealing with your monkeys around, perhaps more than you normally would have them, know that picking up toys is so painful. It can make your arms fall off. But we got to do it, and it's a good lesson. I love letting Abraham help with cleaning, insist that he cleans with me, and watch what I'm doing so that he can mimic it, because none of us want to create kids that don't know how to clean when they go away to college, right? That's not an environment you want. You want them to have it be a normal part of their lives and days, and something that they're always helping with from the time they're born. So it's good for him to be around helping out as much as his little 5-year-old self can. Hey, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you for always requesting cleaning videos. I was doing a request on Instagram this last week of what you lovely biscuits wanted to see, and cleaning videos was one of the top 5 requested subjects. So I thought, oh, better do another one for Cleaning Sunday. I will see you on Instagram and on my main channel in between cleaning videos on here. As always, hey, scroll on through, go grab one of my novels, entertain yourself this coming week, sit back, relax a little bit, read one of my fun, saucy books, because it's just a nice way to get through the day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, biscuits. Love you all. Cleaning kisses to you from a safe 6 to 10 feet away.